Let me also welcome on board Vaidheesh, who is the former Vice President, South Asia and Managing Director of GSK Pharma, joining us on the show right now. Very good morning, Mr. Vaidheesh, and thank you so much for your time. And firstly, fresh commentary coming in from Donald Trump from 200% earlier. The new rate that he's looking forward to is 250%. We had that word regarding that how will it impact the generic players. It is more to do with the branded players. But what are your first thoughts on this fresh commentary from Trump?
Well, good morning, everyone. See, first and foremost, frankly, in my opinion, I'm not surprised because this has been on the card for quite some time. It's more a call for accelerating, creating a hub in the United States. As you know, the Section 232 that was raised during the Corona, that time itself we knew something has to come in to protect the interest of the American citizens, right? So what you are seeing today, frankly, in my opinion, it is not that 250 is going to come so soon, but it is a message to say that, we need to accelerate creating hubs in the United States. I think that's a message. I don't think that, for tomorrow, the tariffs are going to go up for pharma industry.
Okay, so that's the first reading on Trump's announcement. But Mr. Vaidheesh, hi, morning. How much of this uncertainty do you think pharma players have already priced in terms of impact to financials? Because this is largely to do with a lot of branded players while India focuses on a lot of generic players. What kind of impact can we expect on the pharma space back home?
No, but frankly, in my opinion, it has not played out yet, right? So the tariffs have not come into play. So to that extent, you can't see that in the financials of any pharma company today. But I'm quite sure that many pharma companies whom I know that they've already started looking at options of creating hub in the United States to protect the possibly imminent risk to their strategy. So right now, it will happen, but it may not happen that fast because the prices will go through the roof in the United States. Even 25 to 30% for a common man. It's going, though the healthcare in the United States can absorb the shock, but I have my doubt whether dramatically any price change will happen now. So that's my reading.
All right, but Mr. Vaidheesh, the other recent move by Donald Trump was actually going ahead and sending the letters to 17 drug makers and asking them to actually cut the prices, specifically what they charge under the Medicare. For now, what we are getting to understand that the Indian companies which have exposure, they haven't got this particular letter. But do you believe there is a possibility that in some time from now, Indian companies will also be a part of that list?
These are all potential possibilities, right? But right now, what they are focusing in on the 17 companies in the United States, which are basically innovator companies, where they are asking for a MFN status, right? Why United States should not get the MFN pricing. So Indian companies may not even come into the picture because these 17 companies have a differential pricing for different regions. I think that's the call these innovator companies have to take as to how to deal. The prices in the United States is very different from what you have in Europe, right? So I think the pressure is on bringing the prices down to the most favored nation status. He's basically saying, why are you not making United States as the most favoring nation? So I'm not sure whether none of the Indian companies have received any letter. So I only hope that they don't get any letters.
Yes, hoping against hope, and at least, whichever way it plays out, I hope it plays out soon, right? The uncertainty is more troublesome than actually eventuality. But Mr. Vaidheesh, great chatting with you. Thank you as always.
Thank you very much.
Right.